Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the date and time from appearing on the bottom of your slides on a Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab at the top, and then above text, you want to select where it says Header and Footer. And then where it says include on slide, date and time, go ahead and uncheck that and select apply to all at the bottom here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.